How to fix the mobile data not working on Android. If you're having issues with your mobile data, firstly turn off your Wi-Fi, then try turning on your mobile data. This way, the mobile data will get higher priority. Also, try turning on and off the mobile data for some times. To refresh your networks, make sure to turn on flight mode. Keep the flight mode turned on for some times and after some times turn it back off. Now give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can get fixed with a simple restart. Also, check your signal strength. You can move to an open area with better reception. In your settings, go to connection. Then at the bottom, you should see the option Mobile Networks. Click on that. Here is an option called Network Mode, and the options are 5G, LTE and 3G. Make sure to choose your network accordingly. You can also try to reinsert your SIM card. Remove SIM, clean it and put it back in. Additionally, also check for any kind of software updates that may be available. If there are new software updates available, then immediately update it. That's all for today. Thank you.